wheels when we were doing our scrubbing of the wheels. One of the front wheels, this one here, it was hard to balance the wheel, and when we were at Silverstone scrubbing it in, I was getting huge vibrations through the steering wheel, a bit of vibration through the steering wheel. We've brought it back, we have put it back on the balancer, had a look at the weights, we've let the tyre down, we've turned it 180 degrees, we've put it then back on the balancer, we've adjusted the way we use the balancer to try and get it even more accurate to kind of give us an idea of what's going on with it. What we've ended up identifying, and you can see the massive stack of weights that are on it, this wheel's not circular. It's kind of somehow slightly off-center or egg-shaped. When you watch it in the light and you hold something up, you can see it kind of wobbling. And what it's doing is the balancer machine's asking you to put more and more and more and more weights on. Every time you add weights, it wants more weights and more weights and more weights. So there is something wrong with the way this particular wheel has been made. So I've got to get back onto the company. It wobbles like Billy-O, and it's either not straight or it's slightly egg-shaped. I think it's slightly egg-shaped. So got to get back onto them, got to get that sorted. We're now investigating why one of the wheels that we had was vibrating. When we tried to balance it with the race tyre, which is just here, you can see just there, that's the tyre for that particular wheel. We were finding that on this particular wheel, we were having to put quite a lot of weights and we couldn't quite get it balanced. And it was sufficiently imbalanced. It was causing quite a vibration when we were doing our scrubbing in at Silverstone, to the point where actually we came in and swapped the wheels and tyre combination back to the first set. Back at the ranch, we've had to go at balancing the wheel and tyre combination, the race tyre combination again, and still it was chasing weights, more weight despite what we put on. So what we've done is we've demounted the tyre and taken a known good tyre from the wets of the sprinting set. And as we were trying to balance this wheel, we noticed when we had the race wheel on it, there's a sort of oscillation in the wheel itself, but we weren't sure whether that was our issue or not. We've now mounted this known good tyre to see whether it was the wheel or the tyre, and we are still getting the oscillation in operation. In fact, when you actually operate, if you watch the reflections on the rim, it's probably a little bit quick on the video, but you can see it, there's an observable wobble in the wheel itself. Let's see if we can capture it this way. Go on. Like that wobble you're seeing is not a tyre. Yeah, let's do that again. Let's see. Can you see that? Wibble wobble, wibble wobble. There we go. That is actually the rim. So this rim, I don't think, the reason it's sort of chasing weights is because the rim's somehow not quite the right shape, and as you put more weight on, it just exacerbates the problem. So we're going to get back onto the wheel manufacturer because we're going to need a replacement wheel for this one.